Once upon a time, in a magical land, there lived a brave little dragon. The dragon's name was Spark, and he loved to explore the enchanted forest. One day, Spark discovered a mysterious treasure hidden deep in the forest. But the treasure was guarded by a mischievous gnome who loved riddles. Spark had to solve the gnome's riddles to claim the treasure as his own. With wit and courage, Spark outsmarted the gnome and claimed the treasure. The treasure turned out to be a magical book that could make any wish come true. Spark used the book to bring joy and happiness to all the creatures in the forest. And so, Spark became a legendary hero, known for his kindness and bravery.